Welcome to our lesson on the daily life of a cybersecurity analyst. We'll explore their responsibilities and the skills needed to thrive in this vital role. The day starts with a daily briefing where analysts review incidents from the night before. Following this, they perform system checks to ensure all security measures are functioning properly. As the morning progresses, analysts focus on gathering threat intelligence. They also monitor alerts for any suspicious activities, as quick responses are crucial to maintaining security. This quote highlights the essence of a cybersecurity analyst's role. Their day involves constant vigilance and strategic planning to protect vital information. In the afternoon, analysts dive into incident response, investigating any security breaches. They also conduct forensic analysis to determine how these breaches occurred and to prevent future incidents. Collaboration is key in cybersecurity. Analysts frequently work alongside IT teams, sharing insights and strategies to enhance the overall security posture of the organization. To stay effective, cybersecurity analysts participate in regular training sessions. They also keep abreast of industry news to anticipate emerging threats and adapt their strategies accordingly. Cybersecurity analysts utilize a range of tools, including security software like firewalls and antivirus programs. Monitoring tools are also essential for detecting anomalies in real time. As the day concludes, analysts prepare daily reports summarizing their findings. They also plan for the next day, prioritizing tasks based on urgency and importance. This quote emphasizes the dynamic nature of cybersecurity. Each day presents new challenges and opportunities for learning and growth. Career pathways in cybersecurity often begin with entry-level roles, such as junior analyst. As you gain experience, specializing in areas like forensics can significantly enhance your career prospects. To succeed as a cybersecurity analyst, strong analytical skills are essential for evaluating complex data. Additionally, effective communication is key for conveying findings to various stakeholders. Certifications play a vital role in enhancing your credentials. CompTIA Security Plus is a foundational certification, while CSSP demonstrates advanced expertise in cybersecurity. Building connections is crucial in cybersecurity. Joining professional associations and attending conferences can open up valuable networking opportunities with industry leaders. Looking ahead, artificial intelligence is set to transform cybersecurity, enhancing threat detection capabilities. Additionally, securing remote work environments will remain a critical focus as this trend continues to grow. In conclusion, cybersecurity is a dynamic field where analysts face new challenges daily. Continuous improvement is essential for staying relevant and effective in this ever-evolving landscape. This quote encapsulates the optimism surrounding the future of cybersecurity. It highlights the opportunities available for those committed to continuous learning. Thank you for joining us in exploring the life of a cybersecurity analyst. We hope you gained valuable insights into this exciting career path. To deepen your understanding, explore additional resources on cybersecurity careers. The journey continues, and there's much more to learn. Thank you for participating in this lesson. Remember, staying informed and secure is crucial in the field of cybersecurity.